Check in the text below and also in the comments. I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link when you do your shopping. Thanks a bunch. Hello, Kim Townsel here. I recently bought a set of Blink outdoor cameras. I have 2 cameras installed because I was able to install them on wood. But the other places I want to put my cameras, I have exterior vinyl siding on this house. So I purchased these because I just Googled to find out if you could install the outdoor Blink cameras on vinyl siding, and I saw a video where a man recommended these. He gave a link and I used his link to purchase these, and now I'm going to see if they're going to suit my needs. Well, probably not necessary. I'm going to clean the vinyl before I install the hook, and I'm not going to put it over here because that light's going to, I think it would impede the visibility of my camera, so I'm going to put it over here on this side. And my vinyl siding is one piece right here, but I would be able to slide it up underneath a piece like this. But I saw a video where a guy was trying to stick it up underneath like that, and that's not going to work. You have to pop it up in underneath this for it to work. Comes with little screws, Phillips, and very compactly packaged hooks, made in China. So very simple. This is just going to go up under the siding, and then that provides a screw for me to screw in one side of the camera, and then I'll have to put another one up on the other side to screw in on the other side of the camera. So people were trying to like put them in on this side. That's not how they work. The Blink cameras come with this kind of mounting system, and it has 2 screws on either side. So thinking this goes in the vinyl, and then you'll be able to screw that in there. And then I need to mount another one in the vinyl, which I'm going to put both of the mounts in the first time, and then screw them in like that. However, these things are really, really difficult to put in, and I don't really want to be mashing on the camera, so I'm going to try to pop them in now and see if I can install like this. I just move the camera out of the way. That's how I had to do with the ones I mounted. One of the ones I mounted on the wood. They're hard to pop in. I'm just afraid if I try to have this already mounted on the vinyl and I start mashing on this, I'm not going to have any force to go on the back side of it other than the vinyl, and I'm afraid it would pop it. So these are going on together first, in case you're wondering why I made that choice. I don't want to crack my vinyl. Let's try it. Yes, I know my vinyl siding is really dirty, but that's not what we're here to discuss, is it? So I'm going to take this, and I'm actually going to put my finger in here and pop it in like that. It just goes in that easy. I'm so glad that was easy. And they just hang through the section of a bottom piece of vinyl just like that. The Blink cameras come with screws that have a pointed end. The vinyl siding hooks come with screws that have a flat end. I'm going to test it out here before I get frustrated, because I really do not like. See how easy those pop off? That's really not good. I really don't like dealing with screwdrivers. So if there's, so the ones provided will work with the Blink camera. Those might be a little, I guess they'll fit, maybe a little big, I'm not sure. But I'm going to put the first one up using the ones that they bring. Now I'll have to slide this one over to get it close enough to line this up and put the screw in to secure the second one. Swing the camera out of the way. Having a little bit of trouble getting it down. There we go. Only humans had 3 hands, right? It is in and operative. It works. So that's how it hangs on the vinyl siding. So it just hangs in like that, and you just screw it in. So I'm limited about how the angle on the camera. I've got it extend as far as I can, but I am able to slide these back and forth a little bit on the vinyl siding. Not a whole lot, but there is a little bit of play there. So that's good. I'm wondering if these things pop out easy, and they do. I'm also wondering if you can put the camera on here and then pop them in. Let's see if I can do one without the extender on there and pop it in this way. That worked. Make sure I get them going the right same direction. No fine motor skills. Now, can I pop it in this way? I'm going to tighten these up a little bit. Let's see if we can get this one up. Yes, that was easy. That was easy enough. I like easy. So this is what this one looks like without the mount on it. Just hooks up underneath the vinyl like that. If you're going to do it this way, just make sure that you end up with both of the pieces that go under the vinyl even. I've got to unscrew that one a little bit because I just got carried away. Just make sure that they're lined up evenly. And then you can tighten them up with the screwdriver. And just pop it in underneath one of the pieces of the vinyl. Good to go. Make sure you turn your camera around too. That easy. Once you get your camera up, go to your app and take a picture to see if the angle is correct. Then, if it is not, cut the camera off or disable the camera. Make adjustments until you get the camera taken exactly the right angle. I've had my cameras mounted using these hooks for over 3 months now. Not a single camera has fallen or wiggled or changed position. I'm 100% satisfied with these vinyl siding hooks. They're a very inexpensive solution to a problem that I had. Completely solved my problem. I also used some down at my mom's house. She purchased a blink camera system for her house as well, and we were able to use them to hang cameras in some places at hers as well. Highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching my video about the vinyl siding hooks. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. Like the video, it's free to leave a comment. It's free to share this with someone if they need this to solve their problem. And if you have time before you go, watch the video. And until next time, let's just help each other keep the world a brighter, safer place. Bye.